Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We picked up the Type R last night, and the wrap is done. Once again, the number on there is temporary, just to hold a spot. And ta-da! Look at it. Look how good that looks. Well, it might be a little biased, but we all think this one came out better. Maybe it's the portions of the car. Maybe it's just that it's an R. Who knows? But yeah, let's go through the details. These are our company colors. Each one is either a main color or a secondary color. So that will go straight across. Actually, you know what? Let me show you the original design of how it looks. And I think it came out pretty well. Once again, this 5 is a temp placement. This is just to hold the spot, so we kind of know where to put the number on. On the WRX, I already ripped it off. We'll probably rip that off sometime this week, just so we could get used to how it looks. Looks pretty good, if I say so myself. Matrium, the wrap guy, did a fantastic job by cutting it and tucking it in. You actually look there. He actually tucked the whole thing in, which is, I don't know if it's industry standard, but it is. It's tucked in the corner as well, like that right there. Focus, focus, focus. And yeah, so it probably needs a car wash. You can see how dirty the brake dust make everything. But yeah, we gotta fix the whole thing there. Anyways, so that's the left side. Looks pretty good. And then of course the back, we got the same coloring of the PO private label MFG. All laser aligned, or as much as possible, because you know it's curved. The car's curvy, it's not like a square. And then he cut it off here, which was perfect from the design. And then this actually stopped right here. He didn't actually cut that, it stopped right there. So he did cut some stuff, but everything's tucked in. Everything looks pretty good. And yeah. So I actually drove all the way to Tracy to get it done, but you know, that is what it is. Clutch sucks still. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? The design idea behind it was that we wanted something simple. We didn't want to do a whole car wrap because we thought that's way over the top. Just something a little eye-catching, little something on the side, just to, you know, see what's what and how it looks, etc. and so forth. And we think it turned out very well. What else is there? Oh yeah, the color, I don't know if it's gonna turn on camera or not, but this color, this one matches that. And not sure what else is there to say. Looks pretty good. Oh, there wasn't any extra ones because maybe it's just the way the Subaru laid out, but it is a little different. And we didn't get the thing up here like we did on the Subaru. So y'all let me know if you think that looks cool or that just looks weird. Anyways, here's some beauty cinematic shots. So that's it for this video. Whoa, we'll do another video comparing the FL5 with the Subaru and compare and contrast to see which one y'all like better. For now, here's some cinematic static shots. enjoy. Since it's been a few days already, I'm gonna go ahead and rip the 5 off. Even though it looks really good, it's not a door card. So, here we go. And now we're done. Actually, I lied. One last thing. So, this is what... Focus. This is the Subaru. Right? And then this is the Type R. We'll put these two together later and do a compare and contrast. See which one people like. Anyways, back to the Type R.